Remember water in the winter. Your body uses the water in your body to communicate, move immune-supporting nutrients into your cells, and metabolic waste out of your body. Not drinking enough water will cause stagnation in your body and make you more susceptible to illness. Let's start with 8 to 10 8-ounce glasses of water a day. You may want to drink more in order to keep your urine a light yellow color during the day. A well-hydrated woman will be peeing about every 2 hours. Start your day with a rehydrating drink. This drink has become an everyday habit for me and has improved my digestion immensely. I've included a recipe for it below, but I'll just go over the ingredients for you just a little bit. It includes warm water, a pinch of sea salt, juice from half a lemon or lime, honey, grated fresh ginger, and equal parts of turmeric, cumin, and ground coriander. My mom has even replaced the lemon and lime juice with apple cider vinegar and has had positive results. Play around with this recipe and see what works for you. If you are concerned about staying healthy this winter, educate yourself about the causes and things you can do to prevent getting sick. In part 4 of this series, you will learn about foods that boost your immunity. If you'd like to know more about how to stay healthy this winter season and other tips for surviving and thriving in menopause and beyond, just click on the free ebook banner below. When you click on the banner, you will receive my ebook, What's Happening to Me? Things They Forgot to Tell Us About Menopause, absolutely free of charge. You will also be included in my email list to receive more helpful tips and tricks to make this transition the best time of your life.